to 4181 Phillips Chapel Road in Haw River, North Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom brick home with a bonus room. It's also got a pool and a 3-car detached garage that has an apartment. It sits way back off the road, so you've got this nice, long, winding driveway that comes up into your own private paradise. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, we're going to enter through the front door into this nice spacious foyer. We've got a coat closet right there, and you can see all the way through to the back. There's the great room, family room, but we're going to start over here to our left. We've got the nice dining room with a beautiful box tray ceiling. Nice bright window. We've got plantation blinds, which are fabulous. Hardwood floors in here that are absolutely beautiful. And we're going to cut through here and go to the kitchen. We've got tile flooring in here. Beautiful cabinets, 42-inch cabinets. Subway tile backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. We've got this really pretty gas cooktop and then separate oven over here. We've got extra storage right there. It's a beautiful galley kitchen. And then we've got a breakfast bar right here, which is really cool. Just a beautiful kitchen. Here is the breakfast room, situated in this corner. It's nice and bright. Got lots and lots of natural light here, and you get to look out on the pool area. Continuing to the left, we have got stairs here that go to the bonus room. Garage door. There is a security system. We've got a half bath here. And a beautiful, very functional laundry room with lots of storage and cabinet space. Simply beautiful. We'll come back through here, and then here is a screened porch. Great place to relax, hang out, or watch people play in the pool. Simply gorgeous. Now we'll come back inside. We've got the great room right here with nice vaulted ceilings. More beautiful windows, still with the plantation shutters on them. Lots of beautiful space here. We got a gas log fireplace. And again, these beautiful hardwood floors, arched doorways. The details in this house are fantastic. Here is bedroom number 2, or the second of the secondary bedroom, first of the secondary bedrooms. Got a nice beautiful window with a transom window at the top right there. Big double door closet. Right next to that is bedroom number 3. Again, a large double door closet and tons of windows in this room. It's just beautiful with lots of natural light. Ceiling fan, carpeted. We've got hall closet here, and then here's the hall bath. It's a single bowl vanity, and then we've got the tub shower combo in the other room. It's tile floor. And then here we have the master bedroom. Another beautiful box tray ceiling, ceiling fan, lots of recessed lighting, beautiful windows, plenty of space. A door right here that leads out into the patio. And then this master bath is just beautiful. We've got this big garden tub under the beautiful window. We've got a closet here, a closet there, over there, and then we've got this double bowl vanity with solid surface countertop, extra storage, tile floors, and then a stand-up shower over there in the corner. We are now up in the bonus room. This is also a terrific space. It's being used as an office, but it could be a movie room, a game room, whatever you wanted to use it for. They do have a TV and a couple of chairs up here and some exercise equipment. But this is another fantastic space in this beautiful house. Now it is time to go out and see the pool. All right, we are in the screen porch. Now we're going to step out And take a look around. We've got this nice patio area right here. We've got covered patio area over here, and that's where the door from the master bedroom came out. So we've got plenty of room for chairs and entertaining. Good size space over here for a grill and smokers. And then here's the pool. Just beautiful. Finally getting some beautiful weather. It's about time to start taking a dip in this thing. Then over here to the right, we've got a hot tub with its very own patio. Also very, very cool. And this is all fenced in. And then soon we're going to go and take a look at the apartment that is above the garage back there. We're now toward the back of the house. We've got covered carports over here and shed over there that also has storage bays. And then we have this separate detached garage. It's a 3-car garage, and it has got a 2-bedroom apartment upstairs. There, you can get to it from these stairs out here that go through the screen porch, or you can also get to it from within inside. Let's go inside and check that out. We have come up the stairs from within the garage, and we step into the kitchen. We've got lots of counter space, cabinet space, stainless steel appliances here too. This is a really, really cool space. Over here we have got dining area, or you could put stools. You've got double doors that lead out onto a screen porch, and there's a deck as well. And then here's the family room. Very spacious. And then we've got 2 bedrooms as well. Here's bedroom number 1. Good size room. The closet over in the corner. In between them is the full bathroom. We've got a tub shower combo here. Nice size linen closet over there and a single bowl vanity. And then over here beside the kitchen, we have got bedroom number 2. Also a good sized room, but it is the smaller of the 2 with a good sized closet over there. And we'll go out onto the screen porch. And what a lovely space to relax. You can look out and see the main house from here. And then we can step out here onto the uncovered deck area. This is just a fantastic property. Now we'll take one final look at the back of the house. You've got your garage and apartment over there, and your house over here with the wonderful pool, screen porch, and hot tub. Again, this is 4181 Phillips Chapel Road in Haw River, North Carolina.